y'all, today I'm going to be showing you how to make personalized stationery. First, you'll need a paper hole punch, some scissors, masking tape, alphabet stencils, some different sizes, ribbon, and cardstock. I am just using blank wedding invitations that also came with envelopes. You will also need markers. I am using a black permanent marker. I also like the metallic permanent markers because you can write on top of them, and then just a colorful marker. All right, let's get started. I like to use masking tape here to hold the stencil on. It's great because when you take it off, it does not rip your cardstock. We are just going to color inside of the stencil here, and you want to completely fill it in. Stencils I have, for some reason, had some missing lines, so when I took them off I had to fill those in. So you just want to go back and fix any areas that weren't completely filled in. There you have your monogram letter for the background. Now we are going to go in with another monogram for the top. And what I like to do for the first letter, I like to do it backwards. And then the second letter, I do it the correct way. I just think it looks cool. It gives it a neat design. Now we're going to add a bow to the top with our ribbon, and I just use the hole punch to create two separate holes so that we can pull that ribbon through from the back side and then tie a bow in the front. A super cute personalized stationery or card. I'm showing you a few more examples. There are also times where I just don't have enough time to make the big monogram in the back. So here I am just doing the 2-letter monogram. You could also do a 3-letter monogram in the top, which would look really cute with your last name and then your first and middle name, or either your first name and your spouse's first name would look really cute. y'all so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.